Hi, so this is the second episode of our C series. So this is what we do last video, and today I'm going to tell you about array. So I've told you about array as in stdio.h and also int main, this one and this one, return 0. So what is array? Array is just a series of one element. I mean a series of a variable, but the variable has to be the same. So what I want to do is like this: int array, and yeah, just make it like this. No, my bad. We need to make it like this. Yep, and also after that, this one, what's inside the square bracket is basically just um, the amount of element that you want to have, and yeah, technically you could input like 200 or as big as you want to, as long as your computer is able to provide it to you. And also, what is this? Is this like since I just declared a 0, that means like the whole 200 element inside of this array is going to be a 0. So what this is going to be useful is technically if you want to make a loop. So now I'm going to use for loop. This is int I is equal to 0, and then I change it as I is lesser than 10 because I don't want to change the whole array. I make it as array plus plus, and then I want to rewrite the element of the array. So how do I do it? It's just like array I is equal to I. Technically I plus 1 because I don't want to have a 0 in it. Just so like that. Technically because of I only want to make a 10 array 10 series of element. I just make this one as 10 because I'm not using that much memory. And also after that, because we in previous episode I have introduced you to two types of looping. So I'm going to make another loop, which is while loop, to implement it, to show you how to implement it. So since we know that the length of the array is 10, so I is strictly lesser than 10, and I want to print this one. Printf the person d element of the array is person d, and then backslash n. The first one is I, and the second one is array I. Technically this might be quite confusing to you because we do have this I, and then I declare it I also in here. Basically the I that we could use in all of these main is just like this one rather than this one, because the I inside here is only visible to the for loop, not the while loop. That's why yeah, I need to make another variable, and it's not limited to I could make this one to x, this one to d drew, or it's another stuff. But yeah, I don't have any idea for that, so yeah, I just make it I. But I guess to make it as y, and this one is also y. So y is equal to 0, y is less than 10. So yeah, it's not going to be conflicted. And also I need to make this one as y, and this one is also as y. And after that, don't forget to make y plus plus, because it's just how while loop is done. And I'm going to make this one as gcc array.c array.c, and after that, quick gcc, please be quick. Okay, done. This is a.x, and we do that. C. So yeah, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 until 9, because array is starting from 0. Even though like we declare it 10, it still consists of 10 element, but it start with 0 and end with 9. And also the data that we have is like the first element 1 2 3 until 10. That's technically that's how we manipulate array, and that's how we print out array using a loop. But yeah, we could use a different loop like this. For the first one, I'm looping with for loop format, and the second one I'm printing with the while loop format. Yeah, and also that's for int array. We have another array such as character. So char ch, this one is just a string in another languages, I suppose. So if we put 10 of this, so it's going to be a 10 string, no, array of character consists of 10 elements, which is abcd until whatever. But for now it consists of full null or full 10. But we could manipulate this one also, but usually we manipulate it with either user input or an ASCII code. So if you want to know the ASCII of A, you could search it up on Google and you could put it here, what is the ASCII of A and stuff. And yeah, we could usually we could do this for another complex stuff. So rather than doing this or doing another one, we could use the complex one with string, where is the series of character. And also, if I'm not mistaken, this one is ended as in \0, which is the end of the string. Meanwhile, we know that \n is the end of the line, and then we make another line. But for \0 is not a \n. \0 is just like indicating that it is the end of the string. So after this, after the series of 0 until the ninth element of the ch array, there is the 11th element, which is \0. And if we do that, yeah, so how do you know that the end of the ch or the string is, you need to find the \0. Yeah, and if from this 10 element, if we have \n, that means the end of the array or string is like this. So \n and then \0. Why like this? Because technically \n has an ASCII code in it, and \n itself is a new line or enter, and \0 is just null. So yeah, if you want to do while loop in it or for loop, I don't think if for loop is viable option to print out a string, but for while loop you could do it and find it the \0 in it. And yeah, you could print out the whole string and find it \0, not the \n. And it is also useful if you want to do the palindrome stuff, because you could use this string h library, and you could just string compare, or like you just switch the whole stuff, and you need to remove the \n also, and after that you switch the whole stuff. So you need to detect \0 and \n. After that you switch the whole stuff, and then you add \0 at the end of the stuff, or \n, because if you make an input, the \n will also include it in the string. So if Wait, let me do the scanf. Let me do the scanning stuff. So here's scanf. No, scanf is oh no, not like that. I guess this one, and then if I'm not mistaken, I could and what and what and Seha. Yeah, this one should be fine. This one should be fine, and I believe that we need to use the looping for this. I don't really know if we could do the scanning with do scan the whole stuff with the whole string with scanf with normal scanf. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that it won't be working. Wait, is it? Oh damn, it's working. Yes, so we could technically. And yeah, at this one you see that I put d drew and then enter. That means in this ch, the thing is d drew backslash n and then backslash 0, not like d drew and then backslash 0. Why? Because I put backslash n in it and then I put enter. Or maybe if I put a space in it, or maybe if I put a space in it, I forgot. But if I put space in it, that means it's supposed to be like this: d drew space backslash n and backslash 0. So the thing that that's what I say. The thing that you need to look at is the backslash 0 if you want to print the whole stuff, or you want to manipulate the element of the this one, the whole stuff, rather than you're just searching for the space or you're just searching for the backslash n, because people could, I don't know, maybe another function could just skip the backslash n and then after that there's another element in it, such as a string or word. But I'm pretty sure that most of them is also fine with the backslash n. I mean, after the backslash n it goes to another one. Not they're not included for this one. But yeah, I guess that's the thing. But still, if you but it is ever if you find for the backslash 0 not the backslash n. For example, can I print it here? Print f %s, and then I put the ch here. Wait, can I guess we could. Wait, let me clear this, and then this is array.c. Technically %s is just like because I'm lazy about it. Wait, huh? No, it's not included. It's pretty weird because usually it is included in it. Yeah, technically it's supposed to be included as in this one. So it's supposed to be d drew backslash n and then backslash 0. But I don't know why it's not included. Or maybe it's because of this early space. Let me try. Because it's pretty weird. I'm pretty sure that it's pretty weird. That's why I'm still I want to try it. Damn. I don't know why. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. Why am I wrong? Am I wrong? I don't know. It's sus. How am I supposed to wrong with it? Because it's supposed to include the backslash n. Interesting. So yeah, that's how you read or use the scanf. Because last episode I believe that I haven't show you how to use the scanf, and also how to print a string in which is a series of array in an easy way. And also for that issue, like the backslash n is not included, I might follow you up again in the next video after I ask my teacher friends, because I believe that it's going to be included in it, but it turns